Hello, my name is Christopher Jacklin. I'm a professional opera singer and singing teacher based in London, and I'm going to talk to you today about singing technique. I'm going to talk to you now about how to transition from your chest voice to your head voice. Chest voice is that rich, resonant middle part of the voice. It's much more resonant, but you can't quite take it this high. Head voice, by contrast, is that clean bell-like sound. It's much lighter, you can take it much higher, but it doesn't quite have the same power and resonance as chest voice does. An excellent exercise for mixing these two is the messa di voce, which is a very slow, controlled crescendo and diminuendo. So starting with the head voice, I want you to try and take it lower down in your register. So start with this. And then gradually bring it down into the sort of territory that you wouldn't normally use it in. As you get lower, it'll start feeling weaker, but don't worry about that, let it happen. Now I want to do the complete opposite actually and bring your chest voice higher up. To do this, I want to do this little exercise on an R vowel. Gradually, bring that up step by step, etc., all the way up. You can't take it too far because you're bringing a lot of weight up there and you will start getting tired. But it's more the principle of taking it out of its comfort zone so you can you learn what it feels like to bring the chest voice higher and the head voice lower. Practice this exercise with different vowels and at different points in your register. Always focus on transitioning smoothly from head voice to chest voice. As with so many other things, practice will improve the results. And there you have a quick guide on how to transition from head voice to chest voice.